Miren esto. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to use this opportunity to tell you a little bit more about this channel. Well, the expectations I have for it, what I want to portray on my videos, what I want to show the world. First of all, I want to start with the language. I know people back home, family, friends that are seeing this are like, why are you speaking English, man? What is this? And nada, no es nada, solo que el inglés, con el inglés puedo llegar a más gente, nada más. And basically, that's why I'm speaking English. You know, I'm a native Spanish speaker. I've been told that I speak good English. So, you know, I gotta use that. I gotta take advantage of that. But please, just, it doesn't matter what language you speak. If you want to communicate with me, I'll do my best to translate it and talk to you, respond, answer your questions, or just communicate, you know. And that's what I want to do here as well. I want to communicate to the world that there is much more to see, to explore. For example, I'm in this trail north of Madrid, and it's called, well, not the trail, but the place is called Embalse del Villar. And it's this beautiful lake. It just takes a bus ride to get here. And you get to see these beautiful places. So while I'm explaining a little bit, I'm still gonna show you what I love to show. Landscapes, natural beauty, and just interesting stuff. Like this. Look at this. I don't know what it is. I think it's a bridge or something. See, this is why I'm telling you, going out is great. I don't know what it is. It's definitely a bridge, but maybe a canal, aqueduct, something like that. I really think so. But see, this is what I mean. Like, you get to see amazing stuff. Try to go out there and explore. Ah, beautiful. I'm glad you guys saw that. This is it. I want to show you the beauty of the world, the cultures, the different sceneries, how diverse, how beautifully diverse our world is. Hopefully you get a chance to explore it by yourself, but if not, this is why I'm here. I'm gonna bring this to your screen, and hopefully you like it. Follow me, follow my adventures. With that being said, I just want to remind you that a like and a subscription goes a long way. So believe me when I tell you that I will surprise you, and I'll take you places that you haven't seen. Hopefully, crossing fingers. World travelers, come with me on my adventures. Let's explore together. Let's discover our beautiful world. Well, it's almost the end of the trail, so I'm gonna leave you with just beautiful footage. See you soon. And always keep this in mind. It's about the journey, not the destination that matters. It all comes down to that. Your journey to your personal goals, professional, it doesn't matter. But just enjoy the moment, enjoy the now. And with that powerful mindset, you can do anything. And in words of Dr. Seuss, oh, the places you'll go to. This is it. This is the channel. This is what I would like to represent, what I would like to portray in my videos. Hopefully it reaches out, inspire people. You know, there's many adventures to come. The world is a big place, and I am hungry for more. This is beautiful. It looks like something from out of the Lord of the Rings. I'm going on an adventure. Yeah, adventure to the bar. I am depleted. I need food. I need water. I need food more than anything.